Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a new project. We are going to be busy the month of May. I got lots of projects in the works, and this is one of them, along with the Confessions of a Shopaholic and a couple other projects. But this is one of the heirloom pieces that I was talking to you all about that we were going to start working on. And it's using the Bo Bunny Timepiece collection, and there will be a kit available for this as well. I want you all to know that this is a really super fun project. It's a hybrid project, and I'm calling it a hybrid because it is a mini, and you will see as soon as I get inside of this, but it opens up like this with this closure, and it's a super fabulous magnetic closure. It's hidden right here in the closure piece and right here in the behind this chipboard here, and look at that. Listen to that, guys. That is not going to open up. Super cute charm closure right here. I didn't finish decorating this, and I just left it plain because I'm uncertain of how I'm going to take this mini, and I want you all to think about this when you create yours and what direction you want to take it in. But this can be taken in so many different directions, guys. So without further ado, let's get to the inside. So it opens up like this, and when you open it up, you get a shadow box. Check it out, guys. There's a mini shadow box inside, and the reason why I'm calling it a hybrid project, because right here alongside of it is a mini album. Right here we got a really nice pocket. We'll cut this on the diagonal just for a different flavor in terms of the pocket. We're always doing the straight pockets or the side pockets. So we did this one. I did this one on the diagonal. When you open it up here, my friends, you get a full size mini album. Okay, full size to fit. Of course, you know I'm all about the 6x4 photographs. So another diagonal pocket here on the side, and here are your pages, guys. So this is just a half a pocket, and it gives you a insertion for 5 1/4 by 7. And the reason why I did 5 1/4 by 7 is because if you take this in another direction, like, okay, let's say you want to make this into a baby book, baby's first year book, with all the baby's memorabilia right here, and then all of the all about the baby right over here, and you wanted to use a border punch, I wanted to give you that allowance so you can go ahead and use that border punch and still fit that 4x6 photograph in the center. So that's why I did the sizing for this particular size on these pages. So that just goes in there, and that's a quad mat. Okay, half a page here, nice size pocket over here on this side, and as you flip the page you get another pocket right here. Again, your quad mat in the half a pocket, really not a half a pocket, the undercut pocket. And again, in the same fashion, full size pocket over here, and then your quad mat insertion right here. But look at these papers, how gorgeous and how fun. Absolutely love it. And the reason why, again, I left the cover blank is because this would make a gorgeous Father's Day gift. These papers are very masculine in flavor, and I love them. I absolutely love these papers. So here for the last page, it had a little window, and I, of course, had to go ahead and cut that out and made that like that, and you can put a photograph right in here, and it closes up like that really simply. How sweet is that? And then over here, just continuing on and finish that off with this motif was on one of the design papers, so love that. And again, finishing it off with a nice pocket over here. So that's the hybrid project, guys. I don't know what I'm calling this yet because, again, I'm uncertain. Check out this pocket watch over here. This is a chipboard piece that I did up with various, of course, with some chains, some sprockets, and a few embellishments. But look at how beautiful that is, guys. And these boxes, this one is 4x3, this one is 2x4, 2x4, 2x2, 2x3, and so on and so forth. So you can fit really nice items in here, guys. And wait till you see the finished product, all the goodies that I have. But of course, they're on order. I couldn't wait anymore, so I had to get it done, and I wanted to share this with you all, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. So look out for this one. Remember, we have Project BAM in the works, and this will also make a beautiful book about me. But I'm just looking, everything sticks to the metal. It's just such a powerful magnet. It's so funny. Everything sticks to it. Look, there's a flower there. Too funny. And of course, the closure sticks to it, which is most important. Check out the profile on that. How fab. Look at that. How beautiful. When I started putting this together, I was concerned about this right here, but it looks really good. I love that. And check out the back, what I did on the back side. Again, another heirloom piece. We may not want to do the cover up too much because this would sit perfectly on a bookshelf. Okay, look at how beautiful and slimline this is, despite all of the space that you have on the inside. So I really love the way it came out. This is the hybrid mini, and of course it's going to have a super fabulous name as soon as I can think of one. But look out for this class, guys. Look out for this kit. We are going to work on this project, and of course there will be a tutorial available. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Don't forget my class this weekend on the Easter Basket Exploding Mini. That's this weekend, April 16th at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time on the Paper Phenomenon Ustream channel. One more peek, guys. One more peek on the hybrid mini. Isn't that fun? Pocket over here. And a full-size mini album. Oh, and we have my new binding technique right here, guys. Love, love, love this binding. This is what I think we're going to use from now on. Your pages open up. Look at that. Beautifully. You don't have to pry your pages open. Absolutely love that. Okay, so we're going to work on that. So that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for checking me out. Again, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time, let me know what you think about the hybrid mini. Bye-bye.